A pleasant day, everyone. I'm Danica, and today I'm going to discuss to you about the electromagnetic spectrum. What is the electromagnetic spectrum? The electromagnetic spectrum is the range of all types of electromagnetic radiation. Radiation is the energy that travels and spreads out as it goes. The visible light that comes from a lamp in your house and the radio waves that come from a radio station are two types of electromagnetic radiation. The other types of electromagnetic radiation that make up the electromagnetic spectrum are microwaves, infrared light, ultraviolet light, X-rays, and gamma rays. This image shows the electromagnetic spectrum from lowest energy that has the longest wavelength to highest energy that has the shortest wavelength. The electromagnetic spectrum includes from longest wavelength to shortest. They are radio waves, microwaves, infrared, optical or ultraviolet, X-rays, and gamma rays. The first one is radio waves. Radio waves have the longest wavelength in the electromagnetic spectrum. Radio waves do more than just bringing music to your radio. They also carry signals for your television and cellular phones. Next is microwaves. Microwaves have wavelengths that can be measured in centimeters. The longer microwaves, those closer to a foot in length, are waves which heat our food in the microwave oven. Microwaves are good for transmitting information from one place to another because microwave energy can penetrate haze, light rain and snows, clouds and smoke. Next is infrared waves. Infrared waves are thermal. In other words, we experience this type of infrared radiation every day in the form of heat. The heat that we feel from a sunlight, a fire, a radiator, or even a warm sidewalk is infrared. The temperature-sensitive nerve endings in our skin can detect the difference between inside body temperature and outside skin temperature. The next is ultraviolet waves. Ultraviolet waves are the only electromagnetic waves we can see. We see these waves as the colors of the rainbow. Each color has a different wavelength. Red has the longest wavelength and the violet has the shortest wavelength. When all the waves are seen together, they make white light. Another one is X-ray waves. As the wavelengths of the light decrease, they increase in energy. X-rays have smaller wavelengths and therefore they have higher energy than ultraviolet waves. X-ray detectors collect actual photons of X-ray light, which is very different from the radio telescopes that have large dishes designed to focus radio waves. The last one is the gamma rays. Gamma rays have the smallest wavelengths and the most energy of any other waves in the electromagnetic spectrum. These waves are generated by radioactive atoms and in nuclear explosions. Gamma rays can also kill living cells, a fact with medicine uses to it. To sum up it all, the electromagnetic spectrum consists of much more than visible light. It includes wavelengths of energy that human eyes can perceive. That's all. Thank you for watching and listening. God bless.